tanker collided with tug in Singapore Strait, didn't stop. Tug capsized, 2 crew missing. Product tanker SHUN SHENG collided with tug Koi 3, towing sand barge, at around 05:00 Singapore time February 7 in Singapore Strait and vicinity 0110 and 103:42 E, west of Senang Island. Tug capsized, of 6 crew on board 4 were rescued, 2 went missing, SOR underway. Tanker was transiting Singapore Strait en route from Hong Kong to Lumut, Malaysia, western Malacca Strait. According to track and given collision position, SHUN SHENG didn't stop after collision and continued sailing. She turned back at around 1300 Singapore time, most probably ordered to do so by Singapore Traffic Control or other maritime authorities. Product tanker SHUN SHENG, IMO 9,279,692, DWT 8,811, built 2003, flag HK, manager XIANGYUAN International SHPG, HK, EQUASIS. Tug Koi 3, Messi 667,001,511, length 33 meters, flag Sierra Leone.